Good day, dear friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to continue from where we stopped last time. Last time, I said that I'm going to take us through on how to make use of the menu bar. So we are going to learn the changes that occurs when we select home, insert, layout, any of these options. So we are going to start with that of home. Before now, we have learned shortcuts, so it shouldn't be quite difficult for us to manage the home display. So first of all, we have paste option. So but you cannot make use of paste without copying or cut. So at this point, you cannot paste anything because there is nothing copied. Okay, let's say that we have a text to copy. Okay, Control X, okay, sorry, Control A, highlight, Control X, cut. At this point, you can now paste. Okay, continually you can decide to paste. So this paste, we already know the shortcut for it, Control V. So we move forward. Okay, let's say we want to change our font. I want to change this font. Control A. From this option here, written Calibri board, there is a little icon beside it. Click on it, it will give you more options. So let's choose area black. Okay, this is for changing the font, changing the font. Okay, let's choose Lucida calligraphy. Okay, now you want to change this size. Before now it is size 11. So let's choose 22. Okay. Now B, the B sign or the B alphabet you see here is for bold, which is Control B. B is for bold. The I, italicize, kind of make it bend. Okay. The U, underline. Okay, and as we already know, Control B, Control I, Control U are specifically for this. Okay, here we have this B, A, B, C, strike through. This is kind of counseling. Okay, this is what happens when you strike through. Now we have Subscript and superscript. Is also used in writing. Let's say if I want to continue writing now, I will select subscript and then I will continue. And as you can see, it is going kind of beneath or below. Okay, superscript. From here I will choose superscript. Okay, so that is it for subscript and superscript. This is working with the menu. We are progressing. Okay, text effects and paragraph. Let's see what text effects and paragraph is for. So before now, as I already say and I always say, before you effect or make change, you have to highlight. Let's Control A. So text effects. So these are different kinds of effects. These are different kinds of effects, continuously with shadow, reflection, glow. These are effects that you might like to choose one from it. Okay. Here is a background color. So let's choose maybe our background color to be this blue, and now the text color to be white. Okay, let's highlight. Ctrl A, text color as white. This is it. So for these A's, this big and this small A, it is used to increase and decrease the font size. So this increase and decrease font size, you can also do it with Ctrl plus arrow key left or right. So let's see. Okay, before now you must highlight it, and it is already highlighted. Okay, we have this A with the capital A and the small a. It is used to change case. So let's just change all to uppercase. That is two capital letters. Let's change again to sentence case. That is only the beginning of the sentence to be capitalized. Okay. We have here clear all formats. Clear all formats is just to, once you click it, you see everything, all effects that I have made on this work so far will totally disappear, only to keep the word written. And as you can see, clear formats. This is it. It is back to square one. So we have the bullets. Let's just choose one bullet from the little icon beside it. Let's just choose maybe this kind of bullet. Yeah, it is. Let's choose it to be black. So this is it. So we have multiple. Okay, first here is numbering, as we know what numbering is, but this is not page numbering. It's just number list, kind of listing number one. So here the next is multiple lists, multiple level list. So maybe for typing your article sections, questions, question A, question 1, question A, as it is written here, question I, question, so more is for multiple listing. Okay. Next we have decrease indent. We know what indent is, an increase indent. Let's increase indent. That is to shift a paragraph, especially the beginning aspect of a paragraph. And this is decreasing indents. So we have here, which is sort. This is very, at this point, it is very important so that most people do not have, no. At this point, we need to pay attention, because it is very, very necessary that we get to know this, because most people who type lists, especially class lists, do not know how to arrange it. And sometimes try to do this on their own to arrange it alphabetically. No, the system MS Word is there to help you. So you can go ahead and copy any list of your choice from any. Perhaps I don't have any list or any class list, but this is to arrange. Is to arrange your document alphabetically, paragraph by paragraph. Just go ahead and click on OK. Perhaps it is A is the first alphabet already. Okay. We have justify, we have align to left, justify. That is, we have align to center, align to right, and then the justification. So these are, to beautify your work according to your choice. How does it work? Let's just look for any documents. Let's look for any document, okay. Okay, we're working with this. So Control A, align to left. The work is already aligned to left. So align to center, that is Control E. So align to right, and then justify. You see, so this is what happens. Now we have this line spacing. You might select line spacing to be 1.0, but still the spacing is too much for you and you still want to reduce it. It will be necessary for you to click on that little icon beside the line spacing. You see at this point, add and remove. This is add, is to add or remove space before a paragraph. And here it says remove space after a paragraph. Once you click on it, you will see that it will definitely come together to your choice. Just like this. So, but here is shading. So you use it to shade a particular aspect of your work. So, and for bordering, so this is bordering that it helps you, the border here, these options of borders helps you to put any kind of table or maybe any kind of border within a particular, or kind of give, let's just say this work now, my cursor is here and border. Let's just say I just need a single border there. Okay, you can see it is being placed into a box now. Okay, and here are headers, different header options. So I'm working with just a normal header. So I can choose any of these header to work with. You can see. You can choose any header of your choice. This is for writing articles, writing your projects. Okay. Now, and for header again, click on this aspect, this margin, double click on it. Then you move into a proper heading option that for maybe creating letterhead and all the rest. So from these options, you can, design your letter heading. You can add dates to a document. You can add the document info to a particular document at the header. You can add picture, online pictures. So this is for a header itself. You can put the author's name beneath. Okay. So basically, for you to edit your header, all you need to do is just to double click on this upper paragraph, and after working, still double click on it. Move to the board, to the main board or the body of the work, and double click on it. It goes off. So finally, for today's lesson, we have find, replace, and select. Before now, we know what find is all about. Ctrl F, click on it, find a particular word. Let's say day. Find. I want to find the So you can see all the days written here, and you might want to correct any one of your choice. So replace, for all these days, I want to replace it with by. Okay, and replace all. Okay, so automatically it has replaced. So you can see all those there, look at what they are replaced with. BT. So yeah, this is for selection. Select all, kind of highlighting, select a particular object. So dearest friends, this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and do well to subscribe, comment and share.